Hello, guys. This is Glenn again from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can manage the privacy on your Android 10 smartphone. So, Android 10 has this feature that you can enable or deny access to your camera, to your microphone, to your contacts, and this means that you can control which apps you want to access the camera. So, for example, if you want to disable Messenger to access your camera while you're using it, or you want it to access your camera only while you're using it, you can also do that. So if you want to manage your permissions for each app, you can go to the settings. So go to your settings right here and choose privacy and permissions manager. So permissions manager will show you different components of your smartphone, like your microphone, your phone, your location, your contacts, your camera, your calendar. So let's see which apps were allowed. So the camera app, the Gimbal Pro, or all these apps have access to my camera. So if you want to disable the messenger to access your camera, you can always deny it or allow it. So if you are making a lot of video calls using messenger, you might want to leave it on. For Skype, you can deny it or allow it. So here you can also change the microphone settings, so all the allowed. So if you don't want other apps to run in the background and listening to your voice or spying on you, you can also disable those things. And the location is very important, so no one can track you without you knowing them. So allowed all the time is Google Maps. If you don't want to run Google Maps all the time, you can always allow it only while using the app or when you open Google Maps. So if you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. So you can always deny it or you can cancel it. I always allow it all the time since I always use Google Maps to navigate through the city. And Facebook only when you're using the app, obviously, because some issues with Facebook nowadays. So that's it. You can try it with your own phone, so some settings may be different on your device, but for those of you who have a Google Pixel 2 XL or the Google Pixel 2 with Android 10 installed, you can try this for yourself. So hope this helps you, and if you want to have your smartphone fixed, just contact Sydney CBD Repair Center, and please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, guys, cheers.